Alright, so this is the navigation unit after installation. When I installed it, I did have an issue with the AC, so I had to get a program specifically to my car, so keep that in mind. They might not be preset to your specific climate control panel, so how to set that is by going to, you click the home button, or let me see how it was. Okay, swipe up. So it was already in home mode. So you swipe up, this menu comes up. So you go to settings, then you go to system, system guide, car model AC. And this is where you select the model you have. So mine was set in the wrong setting, so my AC was not fully working. So once I changed it to my model, it did the whole reboot, restarted, and after that everything started working perfectly the way it should be. So just keep that in mind. So if you're having a hard time, that's the way to fix that issue.